Hi guys, this is DJI Osmo Pocket 3, my next vlogging camera. In this video, I'm going to do unboxing and review. So guys, stay tuned and watch the whole video. This is Costa and you're watching Tech Nerd Buddy. This will be my next vlogging camera over my Sony ZV-1. This time my unboxing will be done with a snap of a finger. There we go. This is the combo creator package. So you get all the stuff in the package and you pay 619 pounds. If you only buy the camera, then you pay 489 pounds. In the box you get Osmo Pocket 3 USB-C cable. You get a Osmo Pocket 3 protective cover. You also get a DJI wrist wrap, Osmo Pocket 3 handle with one for thread. You get a wide angle lens. You get DJI Mic 2 transmitter, windscreen, magnetic clip, Osmo Pocket 3 battery handle, Osmo mini tripod and Osmo Pocket 3 carrying bag. Now let's look at the Pocket 3. It is a small form factor which is so tiny that it can fit in your pocket. Pocket 3 has a powerful 1-inch sensor, a large CMOS sensor that can capture 4K at 120 fps. Pocket 3 has 3-axis stabilisation. It can take smooth and stable videos in different scenarios. It has 2-inch rotatable touchscreen which can easily switch horizontal or vertical shooting. At the bottom you have a speaker, then a joystick where you can control your gimbal. Then you have a power switch. At the side you get a memory slot. At the bottom you get a USB-C charging port. Now let's look at the other accessories. You get this a small handle where you can just plug in like this. With the click of the sound, it's done. Next you get a mini tripod where you can screw down here and boom, it can stand like this on the table or wherever you want it to. If Pocket 3 is running out of juice, then you get a battery handle too, so you can plug like this. There you go, it's in place and you get extra shooting time. Pocket 3 already has inbuilt powerful mics which are here at this sides and one in the front, but in case you want to record away from the gimbal, then you need DJI Mic 2 which is included in the package, which has ability to connect two DJI mics at a time. In the package you also get this protective case. This protective case protects your gimbal from any damage while storing it. So it goes like this inside. You need to face the screen inside. This is how it fits and you can carry this anywhere. To get more wide angle view, you get a wide angle lens where it fits like this. It's a magnetic wide angle lens, so it fits on the face of the camera and you get a more wide angle view, and you can capture more wide angle footage. To hold your mic onto your clothes, you get a magnet. It's a small tiny powerful magnet, as you can see here, printed with DJI both the sides. It's a quite powerful magnet. To remove it out, I think you need to slide it down. That comes easily. It's very powerful. So guys, you need to put inside your clothes and there you go, your mic is fixed to your clothes. To reduce or to avoid the wind noise, you get this windscreen which goes directly into the jack pin hole like this, and it's so easy. Just plug in, plug out, plug in, plug out. Get this high quality USB-C cable, USB-C PD cable, which is used for transferring and charging the device. You get a wrist wrap which goes here where there are two holes. You need to pass from one hole, comes out from the bottom hole, pass this end of the wrist wrap over here. There you go, and there you go, it's installed. And then you can hang your camera to your wrist. Even if it falls down, it will hang to your wrist, so it's like a safety. And lastly, we get this cool DJI carrying bag where all your stuff fits inside this. It's a cool looking bag with compartments where all your accessories go inside these compartments. Now the main feature of this camera are, it has a powerful 1-inch sensor which can shoot and perform very well in the low light. Hi guys, I'm in a very dark environment, and Pocket 3 is doing so well in the low light situation. I'm surprised by the performance of the camera. Pocket 3 has 3 axis stabilization, which can take smooth and stable videos in different scenarios. As you can see, the movement of the camera head is so smooth, which is able to capture smooth and stable videos. Pocket 3 is upgraded with OLED touchscreen, which can be switched from horizontal to vertical, or you can tap to adjust parameters and subject tracking. It has full pixel fast focusing. It locks the subject even while moving. Now this Pocket 3 has a feature called Active Track 6.0, which can follow you while you're moving. Pocket 3 has 10-bit D-Log M color. With D-Log M and 10-bit color depth, you can effortlessly record up to 1 million colors and achieve stunning visual effects during post-production. The operating time on this is 166 minutes. It has stereo recording. It can charge to 80% in 16 minutes. This is the best gimbal camera I have reviewed in such a form factor, which is so tiny, pocketable, and does so well in the low light and so good video quality depth. I'm in love with this product. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please do like, subscribe and share. That's all for today. See you in another vlog. Bye.